Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, welcome to Communication in English for 11th grade. And our material today talking about job description. Ya, as you know, job description in Indonesia itu berarti deskripsi atau gambaran tentang suatu pekerjaan. Oke, next, what is job description? Ya. Job description is a summary of a major duties and responsibility of a position. It also include the education and experience required to do the work. Ya, jadi di sini deskripsi pekerjaan itu adalah suatu rangkuman dari kewajiban dan juga tugas pada suatu posisi, dan ini juga meliputi tentang pendidikan dan pengalaman yang dibutuhkan dalam pekerjaan. Ya, actually you need the job description when you want to apply application letter. Okay, next, writing a job description. Ya, you have to know what do you do when you writing job description and what do you not do in writing job description. First, ya, do berarti yang harus kamu lakukan, ya, be specific and this use plain language and accurately describe the job and be concise. Ya, jadi harus spesifik, terus menggunakan bahasa jangan disingkat gitu, bahasa yang sebenarnya bahasa tulisan, dan itu merupakan job deskripsi kalian sebenarnya, dan harus konsisten. Dan yang tidak boleh dilakukan, do not use jargon and abbreviations and vague term and simply the job. Ya, don't forget do and don't when you writing job description. Okay, next, job description guidelines. First, job not people. Ya, jadi ini pekerjaan itu bukan orang. Ya, fact not judgment. Jadi ini pekerjaan, bukan orangnya ya. Jadi yang kalian deskripsikan itu adalah pekerjaannya, bukan sifat seseorangnya, atau fact not judgment, ya, berdasarkan fakta. And then the job as it is now, jadi pekerjaannya kalian sekarang, ya. Don't forget, is it the job description guidelines. Next, okay, there are 6 parts to a job descriptions. Yeah, first, please write the job title, and then job purpose, and job duties, qualification, competency or abilities, and working condition. Ya, jadi don't forget when you write the job description, please write the title first. Write the title. For example, your job is a mechanic. Ya, please write the mechanic, the job purpose, apa tujuan pekerjaan kamu itu apa, and then job duties, ya, duties or responsibilities in your job. Misalnya, for example, mechanic fix the vehicle in the workshop, or mechanic clean the vehicle, and then etc. And next, qualification. What is qualification in this job description? The qualification, is it related for the job needed, require the job need, ya. Jadi di sini kualifikasi dari pekerjaan yang dibutuhkan itu seperti aja apa gitu. Jadi job required, ya, yang dibutuhkan itu apa, misalnya dia harus lulusan S1 atau lulusan SMA, itu dibutuhkan. Terus umurnya harus berapa, terus dia harus punya pengalaman kerja atau tidak ya, itu dituliskan di qualification ini. Next, competency and abilities ya. Competency and abilities, you have to know jadi kemampuan kamu itu di sini apa aja, kemampuan yang dibutuhkan atau kemampuan kamu itu apa aja ya, competency and abilities. You can repair all of the kind of the machines, for example. And the last, the working condition. Yeah, I think you have to know what is a working condition. Next. Okay, this is the example of when you write the job description. First, job title. Example, the job title administrative assistant or manager ya. Di sini yang tadi sudah saya bilang, job title itu jadi judul pekerjaan kamu. Pekerjaan kamu apa? Mechanic or assistant manager or administrative assistant. Ya, next, job purpose. The job purpose should be a clear, concise statement describing why the job exists. Ya, jadi dalam ini seharusnya sudah jelas. Ini statementnya menggambarkan bagaimana pekerjaannya itu ada. For example, the administrative assistant is responsible to provide support to the director and other staff. Yeah, this is for example. Next, job duties. In this section of the job description, you would identify in order of importance a list of daily, weekly, and monthly duties. For example, prepare and edit respondent and reports. Ya, jadi di sini di job duties itu tugas dari pekerjaan kamu apa? In this section of the job description, you would identify ya. Kamu harusnya mengidentifikasi. Terus kepentingan itu apa, pentingnya dari pekerjaan ini, and then please list of daily, weekly, monthly duties. Jadi pekerjaan kamu sehari-hari atau mingguan ataupun bulanan. Next, prepare the edit correspondent and respond ya. For example, ini pekerjaannya apa? And qualification. Qualification is defined as the quality, ability, or accomplishment that make a person suitable for a particular position. In this section, you would identify the education and experience required for the job. Sudah saya bilang tadi pertama kali, ini memang tentang qualification itu yang dibutuhkan apa? Syarat ya. Di sini kan persyaratan qualification. Jadi dia butuhnya S1 atau SMA, terus umurnya berapa, pengalaman pekerjaan, itu masuknya ke qualification. Okay, for example, the high school diploma or equivalent and minimum of 6 month related experience. Ya, jadi ini diboleh diploma ataupun 6 bulan pengalaman ya, sesuai dengan pengalaman. Competency and abilities. In the section of the job description, you may identify other knowledge, skill, and effort required to do the job. For example, knowledge or policies and procedure and problem solving and decision making skill, ability to live up to 25 LBS. Ya, di sini kemampuan kalian itu apa? Skill, kemampuan, ability. Itu masuknya ke sini, silakan ditulis in the section of this job description. You may identify other knowledge. Ya, jadi kamu bisa mengidentifikasi pengetahuan kamu yang lainnya, skill, kemampuan, atau usaha yang dibutuhkan dalam pekerjaan tersebut. Ya, knowledge of policies and procedure. Ya, you can the problem solving and decision making skill or ability live up to 25 LBS. Okay, the last we talking about the working condition. Working condition is defined as the physical environment in which you work, including the actual space, the quality of ventilation, heat, light, and degree of safety. Ya, jadi bagaimana di sini kondisi pekerjaan kamu. Ya, atau bisa juga didefinisikan itu sebagai lingkungan secara fisik, ya, yang kamu akan bekerja. Okay, for example, unpredictable schedule and tasks, difficult visual condition like agree and noisy environment. Ya, di sini bisa ditulis unpredictable schedule or task. Misalnya, for example, you work in field, ya, so you can unpredictable the schedule. Jadi kamu harus tahu di situ harus bisa, misalnya kapanpun dibutuhkan itu harus harus mau gitu. Misalnya di telepon di sini kalau misalnya dia ahli elektronik atau mesin itu biasanya kalau di telepon itu harus bisa. Jadi this is your working condition, unpredictable schedule or task. Yeah, and maybe noisy environment, difficult visual condition, or is it the quiet environment? Yeah, this is talking about working condition. Okay, look at the sample job description. This is the administrative assistant. Yeah, you can look at here. Okay. The job title is administrative assistant, and job purpose, the administrative assistant is responsible to provide support to the director and other staff. Ya, this is job purpose. Jadi tujuan dari pekerjaan tersebut. And then job duties, preparing and editing correspondence and response, and preparing invoices, and sorting and distributing mail, and organizing and coordinating meeting. Ya, ini tugas dari pekerjaan tersebut, duties or responsibilities. And for the administrative assistant, rated for the qualification high school diploma or equivalent, and a minimum 6 months related the experience. Jadi kalau di sini saya tangkap itu dia tingkatannya itu diploma, ya, dan itu harus atau sederajatnya dan harus punya 6 bulan itu pengalaman pekerjaan yang berhubungan dengan itu dia pekerjaannya. Oke, ini continue ya. Competencies or ability, knowledge of policies and procedure, problem solving and decision making skill, and ability to live up to 25 LBS. Working condition, unpredictable schedule and tasks, difficult visual condition, lighting or glare, a noisy environment. Okay, I think this is enough, yeah. And then for your assignment, Please make a job description. Ya, written the job description. Sorry. And after that, you have to explain your job description orally. Ya, jadi yang pertama itu harus ditulis dulu job description berdasarkan tadi sampel job description ya. You have to write based on the 6 part when you write the job description. Ya, what is it? The 6 part? Job title, job purpose, job duties and qualification, and then competencies or ability and working condition. Ya, harus berdasarkan itu. And after that, after you written the job description, please explain it orally. Ya, jadi bisa kalian tulis berdasarkan maybe your dreaming ya, or based on your major now. Jadi berdasarkan jurusan kalian sekarang atau berdasarkan what is it? Cita-cita kalian ya, pekerjaannya. For example, mechanic, or you want to be a director or manager. Ya, itu bisa dituliskan di sini. Ya, I think is it enough. Ya, thank you for your attention and your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.